I just docked it and that is incredible.
I've been thinking of a laptop stand for a long time. This has just blown my mind. I haven't thought of this idea. A vertical slot mount on the side of this. Freaking genius.
Right, so I did pretty basic laptop slots into these holders with cutouts for cables, as well as add some padding. I'm going to try and make it go out and mount between the bench top and the drawers. So I'm going to screw it in so it's not going to fall out. And this leaves a lot of fan openings so I can easily breathe and vent out the top.
I'm going to model this in Tinkercad. It's a great free online modeler and it's perfect for basic jobs like this. With the first prototype back from the 3D printer, we can test our fit.
Alright, so the prototype piece fits on the top, we've got the cutouts, however it won't sit flat. And I didn't realise there's a teeny little plastic bit here sticking out of the laptop.
I'm like really excited about this mod. This is going to be awesome. It's going to be real meta trying to model my laptop on my laptop. So I'm going to try and get as many measurements as I can with the lid closed before I start modeling again. Oh no, that should work. I'll put it at the foam. Ooh, that's snug. I might just add headphone jack support in just in case one day I need to use it. Oh, how long are you? The LAN cable has a little tab. That's kind of tricky trying to flick that out. I didn't think about that. Trying to get your finger in there.
Oh, that's not far off either.
For my final design, I'm going to make a cutout at the top so I can plug in my main cables and then slot the laptop down into the dock. On the other side, there's only a USB-A port, and since this is used for USB keys and chunky dongles, I'm going to keep the support in place because I'll be plugging them in after mounting. Now, if you don't have a 3D printer at home, you can head to sites like PCBWay.com, where you can upload your 3D model, select the material that you're after and the percentage infill for strength, and get an instant quote. They also have other advanced manufacturing methods, which is not helping to keep my future project list any smaller. Thanks PCBWay for sponsoring today's video. Let's check out my print. This is what I love about 3D printing. I had an idea Wednesday night at 4 PM when browsing Amazon, and within the hour I had my first prototype printing. Yesterday I made some changes with around an hour's worth of work and had the final product sent to the printer. Now I printed this in PETG, which is stronger than the standard PLA filament type. And it shows. Oh no. Oh, it was resting on the mount. Well, I guess that answers how strong it is. It can hold the entire weight of the freaking table. Whoa. First test. Oh. Oh, dude, it just glides in there. Oh, it's gonna breathe so well. Get out of here. All my big chunky USB keys fit. Oh, and the cables. The feed through acts as like a cable holder. Nah. Too good. Too freaking good. Nah, man. Nah, fan. Nah, that's too good. That's too good. If you like this video, thumbs it. If you loved it, sub it. And I'll see you in my LED mic arm vid. Go check that one out or one of my tech reviews. Bye.